Dear sirs, we SSEA again connecting with you for introducing the new add-on called BC Plus Loyalty System. What is the purpose of this add-on is maintaining the special record and separate record for our loyal customer, and also offering additional discount to them, and the same discount can be or will be adjusted in the subsequent bills. So this system will be called as a loyalty system. So we are developing this add-on into 4 stages. One is called loyalty setup, configuration setup. Second one is called data entry feeding. Third one is called redemption setup, and fourth one is called report analysis. So far we are launching this add-on by setting this configuration. This is a loyalty system configuration menu, it's a configuration area. So the first point is points to be considered based on which basis? Value basis or quantity basis. That means for each and every item value the point will be calculated. Instead of that we can calculate the pointing based on the quantity also. Second thing is, so consider for specified item master only. Normally the pointing system cannot operate for all the items in the trading, because as a trader they can get some higher margin in some items, they are getting very meager margin in some other items. So in this case, if they want, they can specify on particular item only the loyalty system to be operated. They can specify using the optional field of the respective item. So here we can specify in which field of the which optional field they are using in the item master for expressing the whether the item is qualified for pointing or not. I am going to select it as a second optional field of the each and every item. The second point is pointing value. That means we are selecting the pointing system based on the voucher value. Voucher value means each and every item value. So harmony value is equal to 1 point. So we are mentioning the 500 rupees is equal to 1 point. Suppose if the customer buy the 1000 rupees worth of product, they are getting the 2 point. If they are going to buy the 250 rupees of worth of product, they are getting 0.5 points. So this is a value which is going to calculate the pointing system. So 500 rupees is equal to 1 point. And then 1 point value is equal to how much? That means we are going to fix it as a 5 year. So that means what? If the customer earned the 2 point, that means if you buy the product of 1000 rupees, they are getting the 2 point, the point will be value will be called as a 10 rupees. Okay. Then next point is membership discount. That means spot member discount means, so as I already told you, in case of loyalty system, the loyal discount can be or will be adjusted in the subsequent bills. So if you earn the 2 point, the 2 point cannot adjust in the current bill, they can adjust only in the subsequent bills. Instead of that, in some situation, they want also give some additional discount in the spot billing. Apart from that loyal discount, if you won't allow any spot discount in the bill as a loyal customer to a loyal customer, you can select it here. Suppose I am selecting member discount as 1.5%. So then which bill sundry is binding with the loyalty point as well as in the case of spot bill. So that means what? When these are the bill sundry what we have created in the busy. Only subtractive bill sundry masters will be shown here. In this case, so I am binding the redemption concept of loyalty discount with the membership discount bill sundry. Second one is called, in case of spot discount will be binding with the membership spot discount bill sundry. Apart from the above loyalty pointing system, we are allowing that we are giving 2 more features. Profit analysis and billing. That means what? For each and every item, it will show the what is the profit earned, what is the cost price of the product, everything. If you want, you can hide the profit for all user. It can be show only the super user also by selecting this option. Last one is called send auto SMS. So after, in case of membership point selection, after saving the bill, without getting any question from your side, without expecting any answer from your side, automatically the system will send the SMS to the concerned membership point. Last one is called hold function. In some situation like a seasonable period, if you want, you can hold the pointing system temporarily by click on this button. So these are the basic configuration setup of loyalty program. Now we are going to mention it is how to operate this system in the entry level. Before that, I want to show some item master where I am going to fix that whether the item is qualified for pointing system or not. Suppose in case of item A, I am selecting the option field 2 on the configuration area. So in case of optional 2, I am mentioning is Y. That means this item is qualified for pointing system. So in case of item B, I am selecting as no. So that means this item is not qualified for pointing system. Now I am going to do some practical entry level in this case. This is a entry case. Yes, I am going to do some entries here. 11.4. So normally you can do some entries. This is a normal entry. No pointing system will be attracted here. Okay. If you want to do the pointing system, you can do only simple process. If you press the M here, automatically the membership screen will be shown here. You can select the mobile number. You can type the mobile number of the case of member. Already the member was created here. So enter, automatically you can select it. When you select the item A, automatically the point will be calculated. TO means total turnover. Up to date, what turnover he made from us, 21,735. Previous point, available point in this account, 10.23 point. The point value is 51.15. This is a qualified redemption point. And this is a PE means point earned in this billing. PV means point value of this billing. Okay. So if we make it as 1 piece as 250 rupees, 500 rupees equal to 1 point. So 250 is equal to off point. If you make any changes in the billing, automatically the point also will be changed. So item B, basically I already told you the item B is not qualified for pointing system. No point will be calculated here. In case of item C, okay, this is a pointing system. See, item is that if you make any changes, even if you make any discount, automatically the point will be changes. The profit will be also showing. See, this is a system of loss. So in this case, we are selling the loss price, everything. In case if we are selling the product by loss, it will show the red mark in this case. I have to. So I am binding the redemption concept with the membership bill discount. If the member want to redeem the previous point, already he is having 10.23 point in his account. So he can redeem up to 10.23 point. When he call the bill sundry, automatically the redemption screen will be appeared here. So he want to decline 5 point redeem in this bill. That means value of per point value is equal to 25 rupees. This is a spot discount 1.5 percentage. So the 1.5% will be calculated only on the, not for all item, only for qualified item in this case. When we save that, automatically the 25 point will be 25 rupees will be redemption as a membership discount. When you save it at, point details will be updated automatically. So if you any new customer, you need not worry about it. Just you can type the mobile number 210285. If this number is not available in this record, automatically it will be treated as a new member. You can create any new customer here. For example, Mr. Rajan. Okay, 33 Gandhinagar, Vellore. I am going to give some card number also here. Okay, what's the birth date? 15/6/1999. Wedding date 15/3/2001. Finished. Yes, this is a new customer, new member. You can calculate automatically here. Finished. What's the point he earned? 0.88 points he earned from the billing. It's qualified for claiming the redemption in the next billing also. So in case of next billing, right? 1 minute. Finished, updated. So in case of next billing, when the same client will come, make it as 12/4. Making it just for record changes. Make it as 12/4. Press M. Even you can call the mobile number or you can type the card number also. Automatically the member will call. Is what's the present point, present value, everything will be shown here. See. Alright. We make up 5 pieces, everything will be shown. If you want to redeem the point, so membership discount, automatically the redemption screen will be appeared. You can claim 0.5. See, that means 2.5 rupees only. You can claim as a discount in this case. Finished. So this is a procedure for making that billing. At the moment of billing, automatically the point will be loaded in the respective ledger and all these things. See, now we can see the complete report of the client in this case. Custom report. All customer means what are the loyal customer. This is a separate record. What we are going to maintain the total loyal customer list. The total list is email address, date of birth, date of mobile number. So total point earned, balance point available, accumulated sales value made with us, everything. This is a balance report. If you want to see what is the total report of balance point of each and every customer. This is a point balance available for all our loyal customer. Vinayagam Namah Shivaya Marani Priya Janamurthy Mr. Rajan Watch we have created just So what is the total point earned? What's the balance point available? What's the balance point value? Accumulated sales value made with us. If you want to see any particular party ledger, so customer point ledger. Just you can call here 0280. Now record here. 1 minute. I just am typing that. Okay. Yes, this is a new customer. This is a ledger of the particular customer. So what are the bill date, bill number, bill value, point earned on each billing, point earned value of each billing, in which billing how much point they earned value, redeemed value, what's the balance point available. This is shown as a ledger, If you want to, you can see the date range also. I want to see some from 842. See, what is the opening balance and what is the closing balance. We can take the printout, we can take the ledger, we can export to Excel, everything. As usual, what we can do from the busy reporting, everything is possible, Escape will get back in this case. At the same time, we are having this special option as a birthday report also. So in the case of 24/12, okay, Mr. Vinayagam is getting birthday on today. So with the SMS model, we can get the SMS message also. The same thing in the case of wedding report. You can get the wedding report and all these things. Apart from these things, suppose if you do any modification of the billing, already the bill is affected with the point or not. If you made any modification, press the enter, it will show this voucher as membership calculation. Would you like to recalculate it? If you make a yes, the point changes will be automatically reflected in the pointing ledger also. If you make a no, any modification will not reflect in the pointing ledger. The same thing, if you make any deletion also. See, if you make any deletion, price using that F8, it will answer the question. This voucher as membership calculation, would you like to delete the pointing also? If you make the yes, the point ledger also deleted for this bill. If you make it as no, the voucher only deleted, the pointing ledger will not disturb in this case. These are the basic concept of loyalty system operation. The year changing process also very simple, we made it here. See, this is a year changes 21. Next year automatically all closing balance will be a opening balance for the next year. See, go to that loyalty system, configuration area, we can get the new option balance carry forward. If you make it as, okay. When you press the balance carry forward from 2020-21 to 21-22, okay, so if you made any transaction during the current year, it will not change it, otherwise it will change it properly in this case. Thanks for watching the loyalty system program. If you feel any feedbacks or queries, kindly call us or write us 944321080 and sscabusy@gmail.com. Thanks a lot.